Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, I'm sorry for the audio in this video because I didn't record it on my GoPro. Something went wrong, so I did it back to my home. And in this video, I just want to share a very interesting story. I was trying to wash my motorcycle in China, and I checked two places, and I got totally different answers. So just watch the video and you will see what happened. 摩托车洗吗？啊？没时间。行行。 摩托车洗吗？
摩托车我只能给你冲冲，你自个儿开边上擦去。
哦，只能冲一冲是吧？
啊？只
能冲一冲是吧？
对呀。
哦，哦，这多少钱冲一下？
啊？冲
一下多少钱？
不要钱。
不要钱。
往那边骑去，我看卡地。
哦，好。
对，没事，我给他冲冲就行。
好，行行。 哦，行行行行。
都能装是吧？
就是这个，就别弄这个钥匙孔里就行，还有这个，还有这屏幕就，别用那个高压，别用高压冲。 好，谢谢。
飞这边上也不碍事，想擦了一次，擦呀擦。好。你有布吗？
没有。随便给我找一块布吧，大概擦一下。好了，谢谢。 So I went to the first guy. The first guy told me he doesn't have time to wash my motorcycle because he was washing a car. But obviously he's making more money by washing a car than washing a motorcycle. So he doesn't want to waste time. So I can see that. And the second guy, he was a good man. He's a good man with a good heart, and he offered me a free wash off, but I have to do the right by myself, so that's okay for me. And yeah, the story is interesting. So this is today's video, and if you enjoy my video, just don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you next time.